Hey, what's up everybody? Bert from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today's gonna be a cool dyno video because we're gonna dyno this GT350R 2017 on 3 different octane of fuels. I'm gonna show you the highest dyno pull, but we'll go over to the dyno graph and show you 93, Sunoco 100, 85. We're gonna go down and take a look at the engine compartment, the supercharger we painted to match. This car's sick. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify, stay up to date. Have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, here we go again. GT350 Whipple Supercharged. If you have a 350, you love Whipples, I'll put a link at the end of this video. You can watch a lot of other dyno videos of all different power levels. We're running the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger on it. Hey, Doug, come down there and take a look. What do we have? So 17, 350, paint to match Gen 5 Whipple. We do this here at Brenspeed. We can mail order it like this, or you can come in for an install. We can do, you get the big 132 throttle body. So we're running the ID 1300 injectors, a set of Cook's long tubes, billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder cooling kit, our big Adler radiator, because you know I love cooling mods. It's a sweet setup, and this is only 10.3 to 10.5 pounds of boost, because we're running the stock pulley that comes on this kit. Check out this dyno pull. All right, a few things before we look at the numbers. So this is our dyno jet. It's rated SAE, smoothing 5. Of course, GT350 killer car. We're gonna look at 93, Sunoco 100, 85. Someone forgot to mention earlier, this does have a booster pump on it. As well, we installed a McLeod clutch, drive shaft. I'll put links in descriptions of all the parts. So you can just click on it, read a lot more about it. You email quote at brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? We're in Indiana, we have these superchargers in stock. Let's start off with 93. 740 basically real horsepower, 8,200 RPM. Torque on that one, 523 at 5,000. We're gonna bump up to the Sunoco. 830 real horsepower, 8,100. All these peaks come in around the same. No boost changes. Torque 547 at 6,600. And then E85, we got the 842 at 8,000 RPM, 570 torque at 6,700. Doug, show that graph right there. Those are smooth, those are nice, and you can see the spread between the octanes, so it's super cool. So stock engine car, like I said, we did drive shaft. You know, we actually put a roll bar in this in the back. You know, it's a lot of mods you can do. I'll put links, but you know, everyone's like, kind of like, what do I need? What do I need to have? What do I need to have? Well, it's kind of like, where do you want to stop? Do you want to keep going? Do you want a roll bar? Do you want to do a clutch? Do you want to do all this in the beginning? This car shipped in, that's what you want to do. You said, I want it all done. Let's do it. So, Gen 5 Whipple, 10.5 pounds of boost, 1,300 injectors, booster pump, good fuel, sick power. Hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Again, quote at brenspeed.com. What's something like this cost to get built? Again, link at the end of this video with a lot more videos for you to watch. That's all for today. Leave that comment if you have questions. Thanks so much for watching.